New Microsoft Foundry update is insane. Today, I'm going to show you Microsoft's newest AI platform that just changed everything. This thing lets you build AI agents that work together like a team. You can use any AI model you want. OpenAI, Claude, Llama, all in one place, and it connects straight to your business data with zero setup headaches. This is the biggest AI development update I've seen this year. So, Microsoft just dropped something massive, and I mean massive. It's called Microsoft Foundry. And this latest update is absolutely nuts. Here's why you need to pay attention. Most AI tools only let you use one model at a time. You're stuck with whatever they give you, but Foundry changes all that. You can use over 1,900 different AI models all in one platform. Want to use GPT? Done. Claude, easy. Mistral, Llama, Cohere, you got it. And here's where it gets really interesting. You can build AI agents that actually work together like a team. Think about that for a second. Instead of one AI doing one task, you can have multiple AI agents collaborating, passing information back and forth, handling complex workflows. Let me break down what Microsoft Foundry actually is. It's basically a factory for building AI apps and agents. You can create simple single agents, or you can build entire multi agent task forces, and it works across any cloud platform, not just Microsoft stuff. That's huge because most companies lock you into their ecosystem, but Foundry is open and flexible. Now, let me tell you about the core features that make this thing so powerful. First up is the model selection, over 1,900 AI models available. That includes all the big names plus tons of open source options. And you're not just picking one and hoping it works. Foundry has real time model benchmarking built in. What does that mean? It tests different models against each other right there in the platform. You can see which model performs best for your specific task, which one costs less, which one runs faster. Then it automatically routes your requests to the best model for the job. That's insane value right there because normally you'd have to test all this stuff manually, try one model, see if it works, try another one, compare results. Foundry does it automatically. Next feature is the multi-agent orchestration. This is where things get wild. You can build teams of AI agents that work together. One agent handles customer questions, another pulls data from your database, a third one writes reports, and they all coordinate with each other. No manual handoffs, no copy pasting between tools, just smooth collaboration. Then there's Foundry IQ. This connects your AI agents to your actual business data, your Microsoft 365 files, your databases, your internal tools, and it does it securely. Every agent only sees what it's supposed to see, proper permissions, proper access controls. So you're not exposing sensitive data to the wrong places. This is critical for real business use because most AI tools can't safely connect to your company data. It's too risky. But Foundry built it in from day one. Let me tell you about something really cool. If you want to learn how to actually use AI tools like Microsoft Foundry to scale your business and save hundreds of hours with automation, you need to check out my AI Profit Boardroom. This is where I show you exactly how to implement AI agents and automation into your actual workflow. We cover tools like Foundry, how to set up multi-agent systems, how to connect AI to your business data safely, and you get access to a community of people doing the same thing. Head to the link in the description, learn how to transform your business with AI automation using platforms like Microsoft Foundry. All right, back to the update. Now let's talk about the developer tools because this is where Microsoft really flexed. Foundry has serverless container deployment. What's that mean in normal language? You can deploy your AI agents without managing servers, without worrying about infrastructure. Just build your agent, deploy it, done. It scales automatically when you need more power, scales down when you don't. And it's event driven, so your agents only run when something triggers them, not constantly burning through resources. Super efficient. There's also deep integration with tools developers already use: GitHub, Visual Studio Code, Copilot Studio. You can build your AI agents right inside VS Code, push to GitHub, deploy straight to production. It fits into existing workflows, no learning a completely new system from scratch. And there's something called the Foundry control plane. This is your command center for all your AI agents. You can monitor everything from one dashboard, see which agents are running, how they're performing, what they're doing. You can set up security policies, compliance rules, guardrails, all managed centrally. This is huge for enterprises because once you have 10 or 20 or 50 AI agents running, you need visibility, you need control. The control plane gives you that. Speaking of security and governance, this update doubled down on safety features. There are guardrail policies you can set up. These enforce rules on what your AI agents can and cannot do, prevent them from sharing sensitive data, stop them from taking unauthorized actions. And it's powered by Microsoft Defender. So you get real-time threat detection, automatic alerts if something looks wrong. There's also something called Entra Agent ID. This manages identity for your AI agents. Just like human users have accounts and permissions, your AI agents get proper identity management. Who created this agent? What can it access? What actions can it take? All tracked and managed. This matters because AI agents are getting more powerful. They need proper oversight. Now, here's where this gets really practical. You can deploy these agents straight into Microsoft Teams. Think about that. Your team is already using Teams every day. Now you can drop AI agents right into your channels. Need an agent that summarizes meeting notes, deploy it to Teams. Need one that answers HR questions, put it in your HR channel, instant access for everyone. And it works with Copilot too, so you can build custom AI assistants that show up in your Copilot interface. This brings AI directly to where people are already working, no switching between 10 different apps. Let me tell you about deployment flexibility. Foundry works across multiple clouds, Azure, obviously, but also other cloud providers. You can even deploy to edge locations. That means your AI agents can run closer to your users, faster response times, and it connects with Microsoft 365 and Fabric IQ. So your agents can pull from spreadsheets, documents, databases, everything. Then there's web integration through Foundry IQ. Your agents can search the internet, pull fresh data, stay up to date, not just limited to your internal data. Let's talk about why this matters for you. Whether you're building software, running an agency, managing a team, AI agents are the future, and Foundry makes them accessible. You don't need a massive development team. You don't need millions in funding. You can start building AI agents today. And because Foundry supports so many models, you're not locked into one vendor. OpenAI raises their prices, switch to Claude or Llama or whatever works best. That flexibility is power. You control your costs, you control your stack, and the multi-agent capability changes the game. Right now, most people use AI for simple tasks, write an email, summarize a document, answer a question, but multi-agent systems can handle complex workflows, customer support that actually solves problems, data analysis that pulls from multiple sources, content creation that researches and writes and edits. These are tasks that normally take teams of people. Now AI agents can collaborate and handle them. That's the promise here. And Foundry is one of the first platforms at making it real. Let me give you some concrete examples. Imagine you run a marketing agency. You could build an agent that monitors social media mentions, another that analyzes sentiment, a third that drafts response suggestions. They work together, one feeds data to the next. Final output is a list of prioritized responses ready to post. Your team just reviews and approves, hours of work done in minutes. Or say you're in sales, Agent 1 scrapes LinkedIn for prospects, Agent 2 qualifies them based on your criteria, Agent 3 drafts personalized outreach emails, all automated, all coordinated. You just review the results and hit send or customer support. Let me give you some quick tips if you're going to try this. Start small, pick one simple workflow, automate it with an agent, learn the platform, see how it works, then expand. Don't try to build a massive multi-agent system on day one. Second, focus on high value tasks. Where does your team spend the most time? What's repetitive, unpredictable? That's where AI agents provide immediate ROI. Third, test thoroughly, set up monitoring from the start, watch how your agents perform, catch issues early. Fourth, involve your team. The people doing the work know where the pain points are, get their input, build agents that actually help them. And fifth, stay updated. This field moves fast, new models, new features, new best practices. Keep learning, keep experimenting. The teams that stay ahead will have a massive advantage. All right, we're coming up on the end here. Let me give you my final thoughts. Microsoft Foundry represents a major step forward for AI development. The combination of model flexibility, multi-agent orchestration, enterprise security, and seamless deployment is powerful. This isn't just another AI tool, it's a platform for building the next generation of AI-powered applications, and it's available now. Not coming soon, not in beta. You can start building today. So if you're in software development, if you run a business, if you're looking to leverage AI, Foundry deserves your attention. The learning curve is worth it. The potential is massive, and the timing is perfect. We're at the beginning of the AI agent era. Getting in early gives you a competitive edge, so check out the resources in the description. Watch the Build 2025 sessions, read the documentation, join the community, and start building, because the companies that master AI agents will dominate their industries. The ones that don't will get left behind.